Hi everyone, I need to talk to you about Colourware's Colour Security Shampoo. I've been using Colourware's Colour Security Shampoo for quite some time now, and the difference in my hair and scalp is just crazy. I didn't realise this, and I'm sure there's so many other people that don't realise this too, but most counter-bought shampoos are actually doing nothing for our hair and scalp. They actually leave behind horrible residues and build up because of the ingredients that they have inside them. All of these ingredients then sit and build up on the scalp, and then this causes hair loss and scalp irritation. All of these problems are something I've experienced personally. This shiny, magical bottle contains nothing but clean, safe ingredients. It's super clear, which means and indicates how clean the shampoo actually is. Feels so nice. I can now go days without washing my hair, which has saved me so much time. When I'm washing my hair, it goes super clean to the point where it's squeaking. I think that's such an amazing thing because you know that your hair is extra clean. It looks so fresh and healthy, and the shine that I get from it is just so great.